Rahim. So students, we are continuing from chapter number 1 sets. Now this is our lecture number 4. The topic is De Morgan's law. De Morgan एक मैथमेटिशियन था जिसने अपने नाम पे एक रूल इजाद किया जिसको डे मॉर्गन लॉ कहा जाता है, जो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने कंप्यूटर में भी पढ़ा होगा ये टॉपिक. तो डे मॉर्गन लॉ की स्टूडेंट जो है वो जो दो डे मॉर्गन ने लॉ पेश किए थे उनको याद करने की टेक्निक अक्सर लोगों के दिमाग से निकल जाती है. तो उसकी ये बहुत ज़बरदस्ती मैं आप लोगों को जो है वो टेक्निक बताऊंगा कि सबसे पहले आप ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी इस तरीके से लिख लीजिए. फिर सबसे पहले अगर मैं यहाँ पे यूनियन की साइन लगाता हूँ तो यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन की साइन लगाऊंगा, और अगर यहाँ मैं होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट लगाता हूँ तो इधर मुझे अलग अलग कॉम्प्लीमेंट लगाने पड़ेंगे. तो इसको इस तरह से रीड किया जाएगा, ए यूनियन बी टू द होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सेकेंड जो डे मॉर्गन ने लॉ पेश किया, अभी हमने यहाँ यूनियन साइन लगाई थी, अब यहाँ पे हम इंटरसेक्शन साइन लगाते हैं. अगर इधर इंटरसेक्शन साइन लगेगी तो इधर यूनियन साइन लगेगी. इधर अगर होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट लगेगा तो इधर स्टूडेंट्स अलग कॉम्प्लीमेंट लगेगा. तो इसको इस तरह से रीड किया जाएगा, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी टू द होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब हम आते हैं अपने सवाल की तरफ. डे मॉर्गन लॉ को किस तरह से सॉल्व किया जाए, ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. यूनिवर्सल सेट x such that x belongs to natural number और x is less than 5. As we read in last topic, we have to convert this set into tabular form. So u set is natural number starts from 1 and lesser than 5, so it goes to 1 2 3 till 4. These two sets are also given, A 1 2 3 and B is 2 3. Now we are going to prove the first De Morgan law, A union B to the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So first of all we are going to take the left hand side. Left hand side is A union B to the whole complement. We have to solve this question stepwise. First of all we are going to take A union B. A is 1 2 3 and B is 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 2 3 we have to take union between these two. So all values we have to write 1 2 3, and in second step we have to find A union B to the whole complement. For finding A union B to the whole complement we subtract this 1 2 3 from universal set 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3, when we subtract 1 2 and 3, so 4 is left. So we solve the one side which is left hand side. Now for right hand side, A complement intersection B complement, we first find A complement, then we find B complement. Okay, so for A complement we have to subtract A 1 2 3 from universal set. When we subtract 1 2 and 3 from universal set, so 4 is the answer of A complement. And for finding B complement we have to subtract 2 3 from universal set. So when we subtract 2 3 from it, 2 and 3, so 1 and 4 is left. So this is our B complement. Okay, now students, this is our answer of A complement and this is our answer of B complement. So now we have to find A complement intersection B complement. Okay, now we continue from here. So A complement is 4 and we find B complement 1 and 4. Now we have to take intersection between these two, A complement and B complement. So in intersection we have to take the common values. So the common value is 4. So 4 is answer here. Okay. After that we write the whole question here. A union B to the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and write the answer below it. So what we find the answer of A union B to the whole complement, which is 4, and here also the answer of A complement intersection B complement is also 4. So student, it is proof that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is proof. Okay students, now we are going to prove the second De Morgan law, A intersection B to the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So this is our second question. So for finding these values, first of all we are going to take left hand side. What is left hand side? We write here A intersection B to the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. This is our second De Morgan law. First of all we are going to take left hand side, A intersection B to the whole complement. For finding A intersection B to the whole complement, we have to solve it step by step. First of all we are going to take A intersection B. A is 1 2 3, B is 2 3. Okay, so in intersection we have to take the common values. What are the common values here? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is the answer of intersection B. But we have to find A intersection B to the whole complement. So we have to subtract this answer from universal set. Universal set is 1 2 3 4 only. 1 2 3 4, and we are going to subtract 2 3 from it. So when we subtract 2 3 from it, so only 1 and 4 will left. Okay, now we solve here the left hand side. Now we will go for A complement union B complement, which is our right hand side. So we already solved it. So look here, A complement, we subtract A from universal set 1 2 3 from universal set 1 2 3 4. When we subtract these three value 1 2 3 from it, so 4 will left. And for finding B complement, 2 3 is our B. We subtract it from universal set 1 2 3 4. When we subtract it, so 1 and 4 is only left. Okay, now student, when we find A complement and B complement, so we have to solve A complement union B complement. For finding this, we are solving from here. So A complement is 4 and B complement is 1 4. What we have to do in A complement union B complement, we have to take all the values. So 1 and 4 is our answer. Now in last, what we have to do, we write our question here, we copy our question here and write the answer below it. So what is the answer of A intersection B to the whole complement? We find 1 4, we already find it, and A complement union B complement is also 1 4. So here it is proved that both sides are equal. So this is our answer. That's